So, can red light therapy reach your brain and give you cognitive benefits? Obviously, you've seen a range of benefits associated with red light therapy, but when it comes to something like the brain, obviously it's a bit further into your tissues, and you would want to know, can that type of light actually elicit benefits in these areas? So in this video, we're going to be unpacking how far red light therapy can penetrate and whether or not there is any evidence for cognitive benefits. What's up guys, it's Nick Kutsia here and welcome to the Mitochondria YouTube channel. On this channel you're going to find videos all about light, circadian rhythms and how these things can be used in order to optimize your life. Now in this video we're talking about a very important topic, and that is your cognitive or brain performance. If you're trying to achieve anything in your life or just to be a better person, whether that's in your business or in your relationships, if your brain is functioning better, you are going to do better. Now, red light therapy, as we know, has a wide range of benefits, but with cognitive benefits, we need to make sure that it's able to penetrate deep enough into your tissues. So what's important to understand is that different types of light penetrate your tissues differently. So shorter wavelengths of light, such as blue or ultraviolet light, are absorbed almost entirely by your outer tissues, like your skin, whereas the longer wavelengths, like red and infrared, they start penetrating deeper into your tissues. Now the red wavelengths, those will penetrate a maximum of 5 millimeters into your tissues, whereas the longer ones, like the near infrared, those can penetrate even further. Now when we're talking about brain tissue, what we're going to be looking for in some of the research I'm going to show you now is the end result is we should be seeing improved brain function, and this is elicited through increased energy. As you may already know, red light therapy increases the energy production within your mitochondria. You have a lot of mitochondria within your brain cells. So if we're getting to the brain cells, they're going to be producing more energy and they're going to be performing better. And the other thing is red light therapy is also able to increase blood flow. It does this by freeing up nitric oxide within your cells. And if you're getting increased blood flow to your brain, that means it's going to clear out metabolites quicker, and also means that nutrients will be delivered to the area so your brain can perform a lot better. Now I've got two studies which actually have some really cool benefits showing what red light therapy can do when people use them while performing cognitive tasks. And the very first one is titled Neuromodulation Makes a Difficult Task Less Arduous. Now in this study they took a whole bunch of healthy participants and they had them performing a cognitive task. Now the entire group did the exact same task, but they had half of them doing red light therapy before the session. What they found is after the session they did brain mapping, and they saw that those who did red light therapy before the task, they showed less signs of mental fatigue. Even though they were performing the exact same task, their brains actually weren't getting as tired. So for you, if you're about to sit down and do a bunch of work, it might be a really good idea to do a quick red light therapy session aimed at your head, and then that's going to help to make sure that you don't get tired as quickly performing that task. Now, the other side of any working situation is you do need to take a break every now and again. You can sit for a really long time, and what you find is that your concentration, your memory, even your mood start to decrease. Now, researchers at the University of Texas in Austin, they set out to replicate this kind of situation by having a whole bunch of people doing a set of cognitive tasks, and then half of them would do red light therapy within a 10-minute period, and then afterwards everyone would repeat the same tasks. So everyone's doing these set of tasks before and after, but only half of the participants are doing a red light therapy session in between. And you can imagine this if you were sitting at your desk and you did a bunch of work, then you could stand up and do a red light therapy session and then get back into work. We're replicating that same situation in this study. And just for your reference, this study was titled Transcranial Infrared Laser Stimulation Produces Beneficial Cognitive and Emotional Effects in Humans. And what they found is that the group who did red light therapy in between repeating these tasks, they had significant improvements in their memory, in the accuracy of the test results that they got, as well as in their reaction time. Now, as I said, this becomes extremely useful, and this is actually something that I personally do. If I've been sitting at my desk for a while and I need to get up and hit a bit of a refresh, I'll drink some water, maybe get a bit of movement in, and at the same time do a red light therapy session. Now, it's really important if you are going to be targeting deeper tissues and you're trying to get these kind of benefits, that you have a device that A, is powerful enough, and B, also has the near-infrared wavelengths of light, because these are the most important for penetrating deeper into your tissues. Now, all the mitochondria devices are extremely high-powered and have both red and near-infrared wavelengths of light, so you'd be able to elicit these kind of benefits in as little as 8 to 10 minutes, which is perfect if you're taking a quick break in between your work. Now, something we don't normally do on our YouTube channel here is offer discount codes, but because this is such an important topic and something I really want to help many of you to take advantage of, if you use the code BRAINUPGRADE at checkout on the Mitochondria website, you will get 10% off any red light therapy device, and that's also going to include express shipping anywhere in the world for free. If you have any questions from today's video, then please feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the content from today's video, please be sure to smash the thumbs up button. And if you're not already, hit the subscribe button so that you get notified as soon as we release future content. Again, if you have any questions, drop them below. But otherwise, I hope that you have a fantastic day further, and we will chat again soon. Cheers.